Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice. For the ones who do not know me, welcome to my channel. I make strictly hair review videos and hair unboxing videos if you are new to my channel. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as turn the notification bell on just to see whenever I post next. So today's hair is going to be on Klaiyi Hair. This is a 24-inch 13x4 water wave wig. As you can see at the beginning, I fell in love with this hair, but everybody knows water wave is the most popular wave pattern there is right now. So I'm going to just give you a little bit more details on how I install this wig and give you a slight review on this hair. So let's just keep watching. So as you can see, I had already put the wig on. I already have my wig cap on, and I did just measure up this wig to see exactly how it fits on my head. I cut off the ear tabs, the part that is just a little bit too long for the size, so I did just cut that off so they can be just in between where my ears fall. Now, one thing I did do that I normally don't do, I did go ahead and cut off the lace. Now, as you can tell in the beginning, this lace was actually light brown, but wait till you see once I cut off this lace. Look how HD it gets. You can't see anything. The only thing I did with this wig is bleach the knots. I did not pluck the hairline. It did come slightly pre-plucked, but the only thing I did was just bleach the knots. So then I just take my eyebrow razor, and make sure you have a really sharp one, a brand new one, and cut off the lace. And then I'm going to take my Got To Be Glue Free spray and spray along my hairline, and then wrap it with my elastic band. So I'm just going to briefly explain a little bit more about this hair. So this is a water wave pattern. Most people don't or have never even tried water wave before. Water wave is in between a deep wave and a loose wave. Water wave has that natural ripple effect. It does have a natural wave pattern. Such as deep wave, when you have deep wave hair and it dries up, it does look more curlier. With loose wave, you might have a chance that your pattern may not come back. So water wave is definitely that in-between wave pattern. This is the actual natural state of this hair. After I bleached the knots, I did just leave it wet. So this is it naturally drying into place. This is what the hair is going to look like. And this hair is a 24-inch. It is a 13x4. And like I did say earlier, I only bleached the knots. And again, this is a 13x4 lace wig. You can part this wig wherever you want. It definitely has a deep side part and not that small side part that you typically see on different wigs. It does give you enough parting space. The look I was going for, I didn't really want a part because I love the just swooped over look with natural wave hair. This hair, the pattern of this hair is absolutely gorgeous. You can see the waves aren't tight and they aren't that loose. They've really just fall in place and they give that natural state like you just capped the shower, you just finished washing your hair. Now, the only thing I did do is gently just take my hot comb and just brush my edges back, because I'm trying to make it look like it's coming right out of my scalp. And this way is what's going to make it get there. Now, if you're not in a rush, you don't necessarily have to blow dry your hairline. I blow dry my hairline, of course, because I gotta hurry up and show y'all the end results. Like, come on now, who wanna wait forever? So I dry my hairline and wait till y'all see this. Wait. And this hair is pretty long for a 24-inch. Y'all can see how long it is on me. And I honestly believe this hair may be longer than actually what it is. Again, this is 24-inch and it comes down so far. Y'all, look at this. Y'all, and this is a light brown lace. If you did not see it from the beginning, this is a light brown lace. And through this process, I did receive just a tad bit of shedding. I didn't receive so much shedding at all. I didn't receive any tangling with this hair, but of course, this is the first time I'm installing this hair. This hair is really soft. It gives that natural dark brown look, and it's not black. Their hairline that it was already pre-plucked was very nice. I didn't have to do much with this hair. This waterway pattern is so full, and can you believe it's only 150% density? So besides me looking real foreign with this hair, I'm going to try this hair in the middle part. And I just wanted to see exactly what it was going to look like. Typically, I do always do a middle part, but I wanted to just freestyle it over. But I wanted y'all just to see how it looks in different parting spaces, just to get the look that you may want to try to go for. So I had to wet this hair once again because as y'all can see, this hair looks so much better when it was wet. In the wet state, y'all, I'm trying to look like I just walked out the shower, just washed and shampooed my hair, and trying to make it look like, you know, this is me for real. Like, this is exactly what's underneath my caps, but y'all don't know that. So this is what it looks like partially wet. Yes, give looks, give looks. Yes, this is me, and this is all mine. This is my hair.